Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today, well this week, I actually figured, let's keep on the whole little NASCAR kind of trend that we started with this bad boy right here. So, no, it's sadly not going to be another NASCAR diecast, because I do have a Blaney, but I don't really want, well, inside Laney, but I don't really want to open him currently. But I figure, why not go a little old school and go over Dewey Conefrod. Now, these types of diecast are always going to be my favorite because of a specific reason, as in, I love the fact that in the early stock car racing days, it's just that they built up a car, they took it to the track, and they raced it in. That's basically what happened. Now, these guys, I love them, like, to death. Now, on the back, you'll see a bunch of other cars that were in Cars 3. You'll see a racing tractor, which I want to get. 3 demo derby cars, Kurt and Sterling. Anyway, let's get these guys unboxed. Now, one of the reasons I love the whole, point of Cars 3 was because they showed some of the older stock cars in the circuit back when Doc used to race, and I loved looking at these cars. Now, personally, I loved NASCAR back then because you would see these cars go out on Sunday, and then Monday, because of NASCAR rule, you could go to a store, like a dealership, and go buy these cars. This is the same for the Hudson Hornet, and it was basically the same until the cars started becoming more modern and closer to the 21st century, but it was cool. So, unlike all the other older cars from the time, this man gave an actual metallic paint job, which is just amazing. The camera's not doing it. And also, they show it's just amazing. Now, his number was 64. He was sponsored by Bricks Drive-In, Revolting, Wheel-In, Deals, Tire and Auto, Conrad Auto, and Car Club. So he was definitely one of those guys that was kind of like Smokey Yunick, who raced his own cars. No, I'm thinking of somebody else. Smokey I think did, yeah. But on the back, yeah, it's a Car Club. So this guy definitely was sponsored by himself, because back in the beginning of stock car racing in general, the sponsors didn't really pay a lot to have, not like today, but where sponsors were normally just little brands. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment, even though the comments are probably going to be off, and I will see you guys in the next video if my camera would focus, please.